Hi, the beauty of my program is that it gives you knowledge which is extremely helpful in sensing early signs of your startup hitting the roadblock. Now, why I call my program the beauty? Simply because 90% of youths who build a startup, they themselves have no idea when the customers and then investors pulls back and why. If the youths have these secrets before or while they are at early stage of building their startup, firstly, they will not venture into entrepreneurship. And if they do, they will know their limits, how far to stretch. Can you see the beauty? This is the precise objective of my program to ensure youths are empowered with those secret codes by which they will know thoroughly what kind of failures or roadblocks can come in the startup journey and ways to resolve, and if can't then exit timely so to avoid any personal or professional losses for themselves and others too. There is much more to know. Book a free session today. Thank you.